Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a POCO F4. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and go into additional settings. Here choose screen recorder option, and now the first two options in the list will be resolution and video quality. So if we wanna change our resolution, tap on this option and change, for example, middle this, and video quality, tap, change, for example, 100 megabits, and it's saved automatically, how you can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.